This is Paul. Yeah. I was looking in this law dictionaries, and that was called privileges and immunities, the right of every United States citizen to protection by the government, the right to possess property, the right to pursue happiness, the right to safety, all within the laws of the countries of the country. These rights, known as privileges and immunities, are guaranteed in the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution. Yeah. Did you know that as a citizen, I have the right to certain guarantees? I have the right to protections from the government. Let's say that I know that the government's allowed for radiation to be radiating the population. Those in the government decided they were going to lizard human beings or they were going to fish human beings. As a human being, I have the right to the guarantee that the government will protect me. Now, when I inform the government that my rights are being violated, and the government decides they are not going to protect the citizens, the government is going to allow for or participate in the harm of the citizens, I, as a citizen, am going to sue the government for refusing to protect the citizens. Now, I have the right to possess property. As I understand it, I am owed an inheritance. For the state of Washington to allow for a protection order to violate my right to possess property, that would be anything that I should be in ownership right now. Every asset that is mine, the 14th Amendment guarantees my right to own every asset. The right to pursue happiness. I have the right to pursue happiness. That means I don't have to participate in the come to find out way of those that thought they were going to fish humanity. And I don't have to participate in those that decided to lizard the population so they could control the sexuality of those that are American citizens. My happiness is that I have the right to be happy in the enjoyment of my human being instincts and my sexual desires. Now, I have the right to safety. When I inform the government, when I inform law enforcement, when I inform the sheriffs that my safety and the safety of my sons is in question, I have the right for them to have to enforce the laws of the United States guaranteeing my safety. Now, I don't know what you're doing today, but I'm informing those in the United States Supreme Court that every fucking one of them can be sued, replaced, and imprisoned for unlawful conduct, bad behavior.